In case of girls, mostly girls carries a big handbags. In their handbags, she has lost lot of things like makeup equipment, like some eatables and many more. So when they find, they also when they find okay. So when they bring out money from her handbags, they also feel difficulty. So I have a solution of all these problems because I have a very beautiful wallet for you guys.
Wow.
Can you believe it?
Yes, we believe it.
Okay. Look at this color. Look at this
Shiny color.
shining. It has a good space to carry money. It has a lot of pockets. We can use it as a card holder also. So look at color. This is mixture of beautiful colors: yellow, blue, green, and many more. So it's time for the price of this beauty wallet. Can you believe the price of this beauty wallet is only 100?
Wow.
100 rupees.
Good.
You have never seen a beautiful wallet like this in only 100 rupees.
Wow.
So who is interested to buy this beautiful
Wow,
wallet?
she wants to buy. That's good. Very good. Well done.
Excellent.